You're scared of AI, I have bad news. You lost. AI is not going back into some weird genie. By the way, all these comments, oh, you're getting supported by the AI. There is no AI fucking Illuminati. I'm not getting supported by anybody in AI. This is what you all said to me a decade ago, like Facebook, you know who's supporting me? Me. And so it's not a very tough bet to think AI is gonna be a big part of life. It's the easiest bet I've ever made. It's a profound technology. I'm a human being. I'm plenty scared like all of you are. Like, what does this mean? And deepfake videos. I've got plenty of anxieties. I just don't let them control me like so many people. They sit equally to my optimism. The internet scared people. Cars scared people. Tractors scared people. Everything scares people. Social media scared everyone. You know, like there's pros and cons to everything. You can choose to make it a con and be cynical, or you can choose to make it a pro and be optimistic. You decide. You don't want to use AI? Good. People didn't want to use the iPhone. They eventually did. I knew people that told me they wouldn't use the internet. They did. People didn't want to use email. They did. All your hot takes always lose to actual technology. AI is actual technology.